In this video, I will show you how to create an account on DoorDash and to get started on this app. So first of all, download this app from the Google Play or the App Store or access it from the browser. And after that, click on the app. So let's go ahead and do that. And then in here, you can see that we can enter our phone number to get started, or we can log in with Google, Facebook, Apple. So just go ahead and select the method you like. And you can also use your email that is written down in between the number and continue. So go ahead and select your preferred method and then go ahead and click on continue. So after you've done that, you will get into your account and then you can unlock deals for your order in here. So let's click on next. And in here, we can enable updates. And I'm just going to do that later, maybe. And you can get a personalized experience by clicking on continue. And then DoorDash will ask you to use your location. So you can just use your current location and you can just allow DoorDash to use that. So that's how this works. Well, you can now actually start to put in an address. So let's go ahead and do that in here and then I will continue. So after you've filled in your address, you are ready to start the app DoorDash. So that is a step-by-step guide on how to set up your DoorDash account. And I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.